I am Jansi. I am studying 10th grade. We are coming from Phoenix Global School. Diwali is a festival of joy and lightning splendor. It is in our hands to celebrate in a safe and green way. The dangers of the Diwali was the fumes and the poisonous chemicals which was present in the Diwalis of firing crackers was emitted directly into the atmosphere. This caused and formed a thin layer in the atmosphere. This makes us to feel very harmful, and this was also harmful to the people who are suffered with asthma and other respiratory disorders, and this disease was very harmful to other people also. So this Diwali, and studies have shown that Diwali, the harmful chemicals and heavy metals were present in the firing of crackers such as coal, lead and cadmium, and their fumes contains oxides of nitrogen, phosphorus, carbon and sulfur dioxide. Due to this pollution, the acid rains was coming. The acid rains was coming due to the combination of the sulfur dioxide and water vapor. So when the water vapor present in the atmosphere and when the sulfur dioxide was enters into the atmosphere, the combination of these both will give rise to acid rains. It was very dangerous for us. It was very dangerous to our human skin also. It can cause some human skin cancer and allergies. And after that, there are air pollution. The pollution of the air which goes up into unnoticed amount of air which was going into the atmosphere is called air pollution. There are so many types. There are two types of air pollutions are there. First one is primary pollutant and the second one is secondary pollutant. Primary pollutants. Primary pollutants are the carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide and the phosphorus oxides, nitrogen oxides which was directly emitted into the atmosphere. And these secondary pollutants. And these secondary pollutants are which are the photochemical source of the first primary pollutants are called secondary pollutants. And for example, smog. In Delhi we can see the smog levels are very high. The smog means the combination of the smoke and fog. It was very dangerous. It can make us to very unable to breathe, and it was also very dangerous. Especially who was suffered with asthma, it was very dangerous. And we are doing campaigning here, and uncle auntie was very helped with us, and they are given the black and white xeroxes for us to help each and everyone. Thank you auntie, and they are helping us, they are cooperating us. Please cooperate us.
The air pollution will be increased and the sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, all these gases will be released into air. So don't buy crackers. Don't buy crackers.
Don't waste your money.
Thank you.
I am studying in Phoenix Global School. Today I am telling you about Diwali. Diwali is the festival of joy, light and splendor. It is in your hands to celebrate. It is safe and green way. Diwali is the poisonous chemical which discharged from firecrackers affect people with asthma or other respiratory disorders who have multiple chemical sensitivity. Firecrackers engine occur due to the pressure created because of explosion, which are around the eyes, eyelids and cornea. Firecrackers during Diwali can act as a source of irritations and prolonged psychological conditions as well as air pollution. The pollution of goes unnoticed most of the time. All human activities linguistics contribute to air pollution. Areas depends amount of air pollutants, center, atmosphere, piranha. Other effects of air pollution. Ozone causes reduced pollution and areas cause pollution on leaves, thus affecting rate of photosynthesis.
నిజంగానే